Meaning of gleaming.
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 Gleaming. The word gleaming can be used as both an adjective and a verb, and it refers to something that is shining brightly or emitting a bright light. When something is described as gleaming, it suggests that it is clean, polished, and well maintained. The term can be used to describe anything that has a shiny surface, from a freshly waxed car to polished silverware. Gleaming is often used to describe things that catch the eye and exude a sense of cleanliness and elegance. Overall, the term gleaming conveys a sense of brightness and polish.